Good morning, everyone. Today I'm going to show you my year planner. This is from Muji, and I also got this pouch from Muji as well. I could. This is the front, and I insert the pen. This is the Muji pen that I'm using, very fine tip, 0.25, and Muji pencil, and a ruler, and also an eraser from Mono One. This one is retraceable, so very convenient and very tiny. With this pouch, when I open it up, you will see this one is inserted in the cover, and you can take it out if you want to, very inexpensive. And then some month planner, calendar, and this is the year calendars and a whole year at a glance. This is the December month that I have. I keep everything into a very minimalist look, and if I flip through, this is February, March, all the way to December of 2019, January 2020. Then this is the month of November. Like the look, I keep it to very minimalist, and if everything is set in stone, I will put the ink in, but if not, it will be marked in pencil, and then I erase and write this down if it's become permanent, but if it's not, I'll erase it permanently. And this is the month of December. From this layout, it has the hours from there. Started from 8 o'clock all the way to 9 p.m. So from 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. if I want to write anything down that has like a schedule, then I put that on there. And the bottom part is the tiny empty space. So I wrote down what I have to do in the day. It's like a to-do list, and I use the square box. If already completed, then I filled in the black ink to mark that is already done. And here from the side is also an empty sidebar. So I wrote down the goals of this week. I broke down into very small ones, but it has to be very important goals, unlike the to-do list. Some of the goals can be put in the to-do list if it's can be breakable. Most of the goals are like long-term goals, cannot be done in a week, so sometimes it repeated from this week all the way to the next. And then I have this track habit records, habit trackers, whatever they call it. I want to track what I have drink, like Coke Zero, and how many nights, how many morning I praise, and how many days I have made merit. I recorded them. This is the the November and first week of December, all the way to December. This year I keep everything to very minimal, so it could just be very important, and only use black ink, very tiny little colors added to it if possible. So it's different from last year that has so many colors and a lot of different markers and watercolors and all other things. The pens I'm using, I already told, is Muji 0.25, very fine tips. And this I will mark weekdays and weekends using also Muji mark pen. And this is a current week that I'm in. If it's set in stone, I use the permanent mark with the red color line. So I know exactly that this one is locked and it was occupied. I would be very busy during that time and cannot be accepting any appointment. And this is the tab, removable tab from Muji as well. This one I use pencil. It's a to-do list. It's very randoms, unlike this one that is permanent. These random ones I would just use it, and if it's done I erase and I can rewrite on it. So this way I could save some tabs. I don't have to throw it away very often, and each week I can still reuse this tab. This tab is from Muji as well. It comes in a pack of 3 colors. Has many papers, but I just want to save papers and zero waste. So I try to not throwing away a lot of papers. And this is grid papers. And this is for tracking the numbers of time I have visited my student teachers at schools, and it has to be like 4 times a semester. So this one helped me keep tracks of how many times I have visited them this semester. And this is the week of Christmas. Like I said, keep it to minimal. Doesn't have a lot of thing on there. And this is January. And January month, I have this small calendar post-it notes on it. It's so I could see a month at a glance. Actually, it has this little calendar as well for February and January, but it's so tiny that I couldn't really see well. So I used this one to put, so when I look at it, I could see, oh, this is, I'm doing that, and this week I'm going somewhere. It's so easy and very convenient. And if I flip all the way to the end of the planner, it's aligned papers. So I put down the 2019 resolution and what I have success in 2018. Next page, I have what I do, what I'm going to do in 2019 in a very small glance, and what I'm grateful for in November and December. I wrote in Thai and in English. And then nearly the end, I have the minimalist list of what I'm going to do for the office. And this is the Muji washi tapes. And stickers. My student went to Japan and she got me some sticker and Hello Kitty planners and a calendar. Very cute. And this is the end, has a pocket. And I cut down the Muji tag and insert in the cover. And this one is inexpensive and the cover is durable and very minimal, and I really like it. So if you consider getting some Muji planner, this one is not bad. It's a vertical one. It said vertical schedule notebook 2018, start from December, made from high quality recycled paper. And this is the price in Euro, Hong Kong, USD, and in Thai baht. So it's very good and I really like it. So if you have any questions, leave it in the comments. Thanks for watching. Bye.